Hello students, this is the second chapter, Polynomials. I am going to give you some introduction. First we are going to learn four topics. The first one is a constant. What is a constant? Here all the numbers in the number system are called constants because the value of the number never be changed. For an example, the value of the 5 remains 5 forever. It never be the value of the 5 never be equal to the value of the 6. Therefore all the numbers including 0 and a negative number and the decimals etc are called as constants. The second one is the variable. Here we are going to take all alphabets and symbols are called as variables. For an example, x, y, z, a, m, l, like that alpha, beta, etc. These are all called as variables because the value of a particular alphabet never be the same in any problem. Here we are going to check two examples, that is 2x minus 10 equal to 0, 2x is equal to plus 10, x is equal to 10 by 2, x is equal to 5. Here the value of the x is equal to 5. If you check another problem, x plus 2 is equal to 10, x is equal to 10 minus 2, x is equal to 8. The value of x is changed. Therefore, these values of the alphabet or the symbols never be the same in every problem. According to the problem, they will change. Therefore, when they change or varies, we will call them as variables. Next, here we are going to learn about a term. What is a term? It may be a single number or an alphabet or a combination like multiple. They are called as a term. Here we are going to see this is one term and this is one term, and here we have one term. Here we can see the two terms. Always number or variable separated with plus or minus. Therefore 2x is 2 is multiplying x, x is multiplying 2. Therefore this called as a single term. Here 6 is also called as a single term because 6 is multiplied with 1. And even y is also called as a single term because y is multiplied with minus 1. Therefore they are single terms, but here we can see two terms. 2x is one term and 6 is another term. In the same way, 4x square is one term, minus 7x is another term. Minus 7y square plus 9 by 5, they are having two terms. Therefore, like that, a term is separated with a plus or minus. Whenever we can see a plus symbol or minus symbol, therefore we can see this is one term and this is a second term, first term and second term. Here we have two terms. Like that we can create even three terms also, four terms also, n number of terms. Terms never be separated with multiple or division. So this never be as one term, only with the plus and minus. So now we have some confusion with the like terms and unlike terms. Like terms, for an example, 4x minus 7x, 3 by 2x belongs to the same family of the variable. Here x, x and x. They are called like terms. Whatever may be the multiple, like the number or the variable, here plus 4, minus 7, 3 by 2, they are not going to be considered. Only we have to consider the variable. The next one is 2x square. 11x square, 0.75x square. They belongs to same terms, same variable, x square, x square, x square. Now let us going to see the unlike terms. They are look like same, but we cannot add or multiply. Here 4x cannot be add or multiply. They are unlike terms. 4x and 3x square are unlike terms. 3y cube, 4y square are unlike terms. Now we cannot 4x plus 3x square never be added. They will be like that separately. But we can multiply. 4x times 3x square is equal to 12x power 3. So they are the two separated terms. These two terms, they are separate. They are unlike. They are separate. They can be separated with plus. But here for the multiplication, they can be multiplied. Now you have here we have four categories. One is constant, another one is variable, the third one is a term, and fourth one is like terms and unlike terms. Now you have to write down 5 examples for each of this category.